In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup your WordPress website. So you need plugin, hover cursor to plugin, then click on add new. Type backup. Here you will find a list of applications. So select any plugin. I will select this one, WordPress backup and migrate plugin. Click on install. Now activate. After activation, click on backup guard. Thank you for choosing Backup Guard, the greatest WordPress backup plugin. We recommended filling in the form below before starting to use the plugin. This will provide us with an opportunity to make the experience so much better for you. So if you need, so it's the best fill this form. Type your name first, last, email address, and you can do this one later. So first thing you need to backup your this website. Click on backup, full backup, custom backup name. I will give the name first backup, then click on backup. Now wait for a while till the processor will be complete. Here you can see backup is running. After successfully backup, check this box and click on this arrow icon. Then click on backup to your PC. So it will download to your PC, and when you need, so you can import this file from your PC. It's about 74 MB. And also you can backup this file to cloud. So click here, cloud settings. You can backup your file to Dropbox. So toggle to on position. You need a Dropbox account to backup your this WordPress site. So click on sign in with Google. It will create a Dropbox account for you. its price about 20 GBP. So it's a UK currency. And here is the storage 3 TB, 5 TB for 12. Every plan has a free trial. And if you don't need this cloud backup, so leave it and don't complete this processor. So friends, when you need this backup, so again click on this backup guard and click on import. So you can import from your PC or cloud. So actually we have backup file on PC, so we can select local PC, then click on next, browse from your PC. So we have this one, select it and click on import. And also you can migrate this site to another hosting. So just you need to sign in your account with backup guard. So you will find this old file with sign in. So here is another option, schedule. You can schedule this site and backup. Firstly, turn on perform backup every day, week or month. So I will select week and schedule label. So type any label name for your choice. You can custom backup database or backup file, and also you can select both backup database and backup file. Upload to cloud for schedule. Here is another option, settings and system info. So reloads enable show statics, download via PHP, send users data, exclude path and request frequency. Here you will find backup destination path. So let it as a default. You don't need to change this setting. In system info, you can see disk free space, memory limit, and services. WordPress migration service. If you don't know how to migrate your this site to another hosting, so here is the paid service, about $85. This company's professional will migrate all of your files and database and ensure everything is working properly on your server. With our migration service, you can expect migration of your files, migration of your database, refactoring all files name and image path. So it's a professional service. So it's a friends easy and best plugin to backup and migrate WordPress website. Hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching.